In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a fax from Gmail. Now, this might sound a bit odd at first. After all, fax seems like a technology of the past. However, it's still very relevant in many professional settings, and today we're going to make it as simple as sending an email. To get started, you'll want to head over to a service like Fax Plus or any online fax solution you prefer. These services are designed to bridge the gap between email and traditional fax machines. Once you're on their site, you'll need to select a plan. If you're just testing the waters, many offer a free trial that's perfect for beginners. However, if you anticipate needing to send faxes regularly or require advanced features, exploring their paid plans might be beneficial. Once you've chosen and registered for a plan, you're ready to hop over to Gmail. Now, open Gmail and click on the Compose button, just like you're drafting a regular email. Here, the real magic happens. In the To field, you will enter the recipient's fax number. What's crucial is adding the service's unique extension that you'll find when setting up your account. For example, if you're using Fax Plus, you'll enter something like the number at faxplus.com. This specific format directs the platform where to send your document, converting your email into a fax. Next, it's time to attach the documents you wish to send. Whether it's a PDF, a Word document, or any other supported file format, simply add them as email attachments. It's just as easy as attaching files to a regular email. And if you want to include a cover page with your fax, utilize the email body for your message. Whether it's instructions, a personal note, or an introduction, adding this touch provides the recipient with valuable context. Take a moment to review everything, ensure the correct fax number is entered, the right documents are attached, and the cover message, if any, is perfectly crafted. Once you're satisfied, click the Send button, just as you would with any other email. Your email, along with its attachments, is then seamlessly converted and sent as a fax to the recipient's machine. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a fax using Gmail. This convenient integration saves both time and resources, allowing you to send faxes from virtually anywhere with internet access. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more tech tips and tutorials coming your way.